Well, as you can see, she's still nesting. He's swimming right now. I seen him earlier. He just swam by to check up on her. As you can see, she's still on her nest. She's been on her nest for 3 days now. So I'm figuring at least 2 months before she has her babies. So we got a while to go, but as you can see, she's just nesting. Yesterday I got a video of the male swimming, so I know the geese has left. As you know, in the first video, there was a geese laying next to her. I have that on video. When I came back, he was laying next to her, so. But today I haven't seen him, just her. And you know, she's just doing her thing on the nest, probably pretty bored. I'm pretty sure she goes out and swims every once in a while, but we don't know that. I will keep videotaping the swans in motion until they have their brood of baby swans. But in the meantime, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to bring these videos to you. They're very difficult to do at all times during the day. So I would like to say thank you guys, and keep putting them views on for me. This is part 6 coming up at ya. Check it out, it's beautiful around here. Got all this water. She's got a perfect spot right here in the corner. Just all by her lonesome. Alright, bye for now.